Hey everybody, Lethal Gamer here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you a little secret in superhero life. It's not that popular anymore, but it's weird. So I have my brother over at the other side of the room, and this is him right here. This little thing is where people edit their characters. It's kind of odd that I found that. So EI, I want you to rotate your character to the right, EI. Can you do that for me? Rotate your character so that it looks like I'm looking at your arm. Can you do that? You see that? You see that? It's a little bit of it. It's a little short of an Easter egg to do in a video, but it's not even an Easter egg, it's just a stage. But there you go. That's where people edit their characters. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.